Thinking about buying the best editing laptop in 2026, but not sure which one is worth your money? In this video, we've picked the top 5 best editing laptops for creators based on performance, features, and real user reviews. Check the links in the description for the latest prices, and don't forget to subscribe for more top tech recommendations. Let's get started. Number 5. The Apple 2026 MacBook Pro with the M5 chip is built for professionals, creators, and AI-powered workflows. It features a 14.2-inch liquid Retina XDR display with stunning brightness and contrast, a powerful 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, 32 GB of unified memory, and a fast 1TB SSD. Designed for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and on-device AI, it delivers exceptional performance with all-day battery life. Seamless integration with iPhone and the speed of macOS make it one of the best laptops of 2026. Number 4. The KOOFORWAY Triple Screen Laptop is a powerful workstation designed for creators, professionals, and gamers. It features a 16-inch main display with dual 10.5-inch foldable screens, delivering an immersive multitasking experience. Powered by an Intel Core i7-12700H processor, 32 GB RAM, and a fast 2 TB SSD, it easily handles video editing, gaming, and demanding workloads. Face and fingerprint authentication enhance security, while USB-C, HDMI, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5.0 provide versatile connectivity for productivity anywhere. Number 3. The Lenovo Legion LOQ is a high-performance gaming laptop built for gamers, creators, and students. Powered by the Intel Core i7-14700HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics, it delivers outstanding gaming and creative performance. Its 15-inch 2.5K PureSight OLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate offers vibrant colors and ultra-smooth visuals. Lenovo AI Engine Plus optimizes performance, while the advanced cold front cooling system keeps the laptop quiet. Fast USB-C charging and excellent portability make it perfect for gaming and productivity anywhere. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy Book6 is a sleek and lightweight laptop designed for everyday productivity. Powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 7 processor with AI acceleration, it delivers fast and efficient performance. Its 14-inch Full HD Plus display offers sharp visuals with up to 350 nits of brightness, while Dolby Atmos speakers provide immersive sound. Seamless integration with Galaxy devices lets you make calls, send texts, transfer files, and access your phone's content directly from your laptop, making multitasking effortless. Number 1. The Lenovo Legion LOQ is an AI-powered gaming laptop built for gamers and content creators. It features an Intel Core i7-13650HX processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 graphics, 16 GB of memory, and a 1TB SSD for fast, reliable performance. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate and NVIDIA G-Sync delivers smooth, tear-free gameplay. Advanced hyperchamber cooling and Lenovo AI Engine Plus optimize performance, while Rapid Charge Pro keeps you gaming, streaming, and creating with minimal downtime.